Welcome into the channel. I'm using a 2-ounce weight on a slider. I'm just using a small little, about a foot to a foot and a half leader, double snell. Guys, this is how I like to do it. I know it doesn't look like a natural worm down there, but I don't think it needs to, especially that deep. I think it's hard for them to see it anyway, so I like to do little 1-inch chunks, 1/2 inch to 1 inch chunk, right? Keep putting it on, pinching it off, and you just have to hook it one time and pinch it off. And then the last one, I like to leave nice and long, right? That gives it some action down there. Now, why I do that is because when the fish come off, if it's, let's say a bluegill comes up, boom, rips it right off. I'm still fishing. Another goby comes in, boom, I'm still fishing. So I put extra on there. You cast out, sometimes it'll come flying off. Well, if a piece comes flying off on the cast, I'm still fishing. I still have other pieces out there, so that's why I do it that way. You may disagree, you may like your way better, that's fine. Rig it however you want. This is how I like to do it. Just little chunks. I like to let out lots of line, as much as you possibly need. Let it, make sure that bait gets to the bottom. It's pretty deep here, between 20 and 30 feet. I want to say it's around 29 feet deep. I might be wrong. It's definitely on the bottom now, so we reel in the slack. We loosen the drag. You want that fish to be able to just pull it easily. You'll still hear the bell. You don't got to worry about that. Normally I have different bells. I can't find my other bells. It's the last minute trip. So if we get a hit, it'll pull on it. I think I'm gonna try this for a little bit. This is a different setup. This is a Carolina rig. I forgot the name of these things here, but it's just a piece of like plastic that has a hole in it, and you pinch it together with your pliers to put it on there. Now I don't have any leader line, it's all just the main line. Now this is a tiny weight, so I just think it's gonna get carried away, but we're just gonna drop it straight down here. See if there's any small fish, anything down here. We're multi-species angling today. We'll take whatever wants to bite. Preferably catfish. I enjoy catching channel catfish, flatheads. They're both in here, so we're gonna try. Remember to loosen the drag up, guys. You don't want to lose your rod. This will help prevent losing your rod. Warm out here. Sun's shining. No fish though.
Do you ever catch
Yes, ma'am. Catfish, drum.
Is that a GoPro on your head?
Yes, ma'am. Yep.
I was like, are you YouTubing or are you...
Yeah, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all of them, yep.
But is this not a good time to fish, is it?
Yes.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, as the
You think so?
as the sun goes down, the catfish will start biting.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Yeah, early morning is good, and then late at night is good.
I like some good fried catfish.
Where are you ladies from?
Kentucky.
Okay.
Are you live here?
Yep. Yep.
Very nice here.
Yep.
It's pretty.
It's beautiful down in Kentucky.
Yes, that is.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
My brother's down in Tennessee, so we drive through and we try to take a different way every time to see different things, and yeah, it's beautiful down there.
Yeah, we're going to Mackinac Island. Of course.
Oh, great. Awesome place.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Enjoy your evening. Copyright. Don't copyright strike me. Little Nelly. Little Nelly rolling through. From back in the, what's that, early 2000s? Some early 2000s hip hop. They were jamming. All right, it's time to catch a fish. Oh. There we go, fish. I think it's just a small channel. I got the drag loose because I'm only using 10-pound test here. All right, we're on the board. Let's go. And with the new rig too. Got them up close. This is the rig that I threw out there to not even really be catching a fish. I was really hoping, I was hoping for one, but I wasn't really expecting one, I should say.
See this catfish they got down here?
Where's that? Yeah. Is that, I think that's the one I caught. I gave it to him. Yeah. Yeah, I did see that one. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I just had another one on and it picked it up the bait and then dropped it.
Yeah, my nephews were over here last week and they caught 2 real big ones.
Cool. Yeah, I love this place.
Yeah.
Lots of fish in here. You folks have a good night.
You too.
Thank you. So you guys, all you gotta do is see which way it's split and just pinch it and it opens it right up. And then you can slide it up. There we go. And now I can retie my hook. It's a really nice, discreet rig. The Carolina Keeper is what they're called. Just really didn't cast it back out, I guess. I think I might have a fish on. Or a snag. It's not fighting. Is that a fish? Yeah, it's gotta be. Yeah. And he's tangled. That's 2 fish. What in the world? And he's tangled in my other line. Oh, this is not gonna be fun. Just gotta double up. It's a tangled mess. But he's gonna be bait. He's going back. This little guy. Fish on. So I think it's a drum. Oh, he's double hooked now. This is species number 3. Nice little drum. It's a good fight. Got something nibbling. Something was on it. Dropped it. Oh no, he was swimming towards me. He's still on. Fish on, let's go. This feels decent. Yeah. It's a big catfish. There he is.
Look at him. Look how big he is. You want to go look at him? You have to hold my hand though, okay? See him?
He's like,
Look
that.
at him. He's like, hey.
Pretty cool, huh?
Put me back. Isn't he cool? Thank you.
He was hungry.
Yeah.
You guys have a good night.
Yeah.
Thank you. You don't mind if they're in a YouTube video, do you?
No.
Okay, cool. Yeah, cool. Have a good night.
What'd you just catch?
A catfish. Channel catfish.
Boy, he's a good size one.
Yeah, good eater.
Oh my. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you get to keep them?
These guys are keeping them. I gave them the last one I caught, so I'm gonna give them this one too. I just like catching them.
I know.
That's the
my
fun.
boys are the same way. Catch and release.
Yeah. That's what I normally do, but there's so many of these out here that if somebody wants a meal, the price of food these days.
What are you using? Right. What are you using for your bait?
Night crawlers.
Night crawlers?
Yep.
You know, I was down to the farm one time and I didn't have anything, and I had some hot dogs. I laid them out and let them eat kind of sour.
Yep.
I mean, I was pulling catfish
Yeah.
like everything.
Yep. Pike eat them too. Yep.
Yeah, well,
They'll eat the strangest things, huh?
it didn't stay on there very good, but it
No.
didn't take them but a second to
That's right. Yep.
with the griffin.
Yeah, I dress up as Santa all of December and catch lake trout. These
Oh,
big
wow.
fish, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. People come from all over and it's fun.
But
Awesome.
thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That's a channel cat.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna give it to these guys down here. Yeah, I don't eat fish a couple times a year, but I just like catching them.
I like eating them.
You want them?
No.
No? Okay. Yeah, I gave them the last one, so
Far away.
I think they caught 1 or 2 as well, so they'll have a nice meal now.
Got one down there.
Yeah?
Yeah, we were fishing down there a little while ago.
Okay.
Got one.
Well, got another one for you.
You're over there cleaning up, huh?
Yeah. Man, the discreet rig here is working. You got me. The little guy got me. Not bad, but he got me. All right. Hurts a little. Stings. Let's go wash it out. Let's use some of this clean river water here to rinse this wound out. No harm in that, right? What could go wrong there? This beautiful, clean Saginaw River. Yeah. Much better. Nice and clean. Like brand new. And this is what I was talking about, guys. See? I'm still fishing. Something came up and took a couple of them off, but I was still fishing out there. Didn't catch anything, but we were fishing that whole time. Well, this is the last of it. Looks like it. Yep, that's it. Last of the crawlers. Let's get one more fish, huh? Fish on. All right. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm out of crawlers, and it's getting late, so I think I'm gonna head home. It's the last fish. Get him unhooked here. All right, guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.